Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys different ways I style my micro twist. This style can be used on your locks, your braids, but in this video is specifically dedicated to micro twist girly. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first style I'm going to be showing you is the center part. So for style number 2, we're going to be doing the side parts, which is very elegant and very cute. Like if you're going for something elegant, I'll definitely advise you to go for the side look. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Can't you see? Looking so chic and all. So yeah, so this hairstyle can be worn for a girls night out or for a dinner look. So yeah, this is very cutesy and demure. So for style number 3, you're going to be making out small portions of your hair at the front, and with a horizontal pattern, take both sides of the cut out portion all the way to the back, and then you tie it with two strands of your hair. And yeah, that's how the style is going to be. So it's going to be basically like a band. You know how you have headbands on your hair? So now we're going to be using our hair as the headband. How does that sound? Very good. So yeah, once you tie that down, it's going to give that band look, which is very cutesy and demure. So with this hairstyle, it's a simple hairstyle that can be done in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. You're done. So yeah, this is the final look of the hair. Can't you see? Oh my god, looking cute. So for style number 4, we're going to be going in with all back. You know how you have chiku at the top, but this time around we're going to be doing a low bun. So yeah, we're going to be carrying all the hair from the front all the way to the back, and then we're going to be tying it with like 3 strands of our hair. So yeah, with this hairstyle you can use this for like a casual night out, or if you're going for a dinner look, this is something that speaks volume. Like when you step into a room, it makes you look like you own the place and everything. So yeah, with this hairstyle, it's very fast. In like, let's say 5 minutes, you're going to be done with this hair. So yeah, you can always add accessories to your hair like pins and other things, but yeah, this is something that's very cutesy and demure. And yeah, so for style number 5, we're going to be taking some parts of our front hair. So basically we just make a bun with it. We're not going to take everything, just a piece of your hair, and then you're going to tie it with like 3 strands of your hair, and we're going to make a bun. Also do the same thing with the second part of our hair. So that's the style. I'm sure this style speaks volume. Like it's not the regular. If you're trying to be different, if you're trying to do something unique, this style is your go-to style. Like it's different, it's more playful, it gives that childlike feel. So yeah, this is something that in under like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you're going to be done doing this hairstyle. So yeah, I would like to hear from you. What style is given for you like up to this point? I'm sure you'll be like, style number 1 is definitely my favorite because I love the outcome of it. So that one is just basically simple, and yeah. So this is how the hair is looking after styling it. I'm like, oh my god, what's this? I really love this style. It gives that playful youth look. So if that's your vibe, you definitely have to try out this look. So yeah. For style number 6, we're going to be wrapping that bun up in like a bun. So yeah, so basically we're just moving the hair around in a bun, like we're trying to achieve that messy bun. So yeah, that's what we're doing with this hair. So once you're done, you just tuck in the ends into the hair, and that's the look. So with this hair, it gives that playful look. It's not you doing too much, but you're looking, it's quite good. So yeah, so we're going to do that to the next part of the bun. We're just going to be wrapping it in a messy bun. With this, you don't have to like overthink it, just wrap your hair around it. And yeah, I love the outcome of this look. It makes me look so cheeky, and yeah. So yeah, if this is your vibe, you should definitely try out the style. It gives that bad and bougie vibe. So yeah, I love this look so much. This will be like my top 2, yeah, for hairstyles to try out. Especially if you're trying not to be boring with your hair. I know how you make your hair and then you don't know hairstyles to do, so this is your go-to, yeah. So for style number 7, we're going to be taking it slow. We're going to be doing the half up, half down look. This is like the most popular look for, let's say, 2025. And yeah, this is something that is very easy to do. You can just easily just do it in under, let's say, 2 minutes. So yeah, with this hairstyle, you just take like some parts of your front hair and then you put it up in like a high ponytail, and then you take out like 3 strands of your hair and then wrap it around your hair. Just give that illusion of like a band look. So yeah, with this hairstyle, there are different ways you can style it. You can either bring out like 2 in front, or you can do it like in a sideways. But this is like the normal way to style the hair. You just take out some parts of your hair and then you put it up in a bun. With this hair, it's very easy to use. You can go it for like picnic, girls' night out, like you're going out to hang it out with your friends, or just it's a very easy and everyday go-to look. It's a hair that you can actually use every day. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I love this style. This is like my everyday look. If I don't want to go with that, with like the normal center part, this is my go-to hairstyle. So yeah. Style number 8, we're going to be taking in that bun and we're going to be wrapping it around. We're trying to achieve that messy bun look. So yeah, with this hairstyle, you don't need to overthink it. Just take some parts of the hair and then just wrap it around. And the outcome is the best outcome you can ever get. Is that messy bun look. That's the look we're trying to go for. And I love the outcome of this. So this is how the hair is looking. Very cutesy, very demure. And yeah, if you're a fan of the last style, you definitely be a fan of this because it's basically that style with a band. And yeah, this is me just feeling myself like, oh my god, I love my hair. So yeah. So for style number 9, we're just basically going to unravel the last style, and we're going to be going with the side look. I'm sure you're needing a lot of center points, but now I'm going to be showing you guys how to style it in like your side. So basically, you just take like your hair all the way to the side, and then you move, like take 2 strands of your hair and then move it all the way to the back and just tie it. So you're basically like how you tie normal knots. That's the way you tie this hair. So once you've done that, this is how it's looking, guys. Oh my god, this is like an easy go-to hairstyle you can do like everyday hairstyle. And I love the outcome of this. This is so cutesy and very demure. So yeah. So for style number 10, we're going in with our high bun. This is like the most rated hair, like it's everywhere. So we're going to be basically putting all our hair all the way to the front and then giving that messy look. So yeah, if you're a fan of like ponytails, you're a fan of like high bun, you're definitely going to like this hairstyle. So basically, you just pack your hair all the way up and then just fluff it out like how I'm fluffing it. So yeah, that's the vibe of this hair. So for hairstyle number 11, we're basically just going to be wrapping our hair. Like, you know how we did for the last one, we're going to do the same thing, but giving that messy bun look. So we just wrap our hair all the way up, and yeah, this hairstyle is cutesy, it's demure. If you're trying to like not allow your hair touch your body, this is the hairstyle for you. Like, you don't need to do too much, just wrap it around your hair, and yeah, you're looking all good and snatched. For hairstyle number 12, we're going to bring in with our bun also, but this time around we're going to bring in out like 2 strands of our hair just to give that cute baby girl look. So yeah, once we brought that out, that's the hairstyle. So basically, you can always switch up your bun. If you have bun, you can always switch it up. You don't have to just do it all the way up. You can bring out some hair in front, at the side, behind, just to make it look cutesy and demure. So yeah. So for style number 13, we're going to be going in with our bun, but we're going to make it 2. What's better than 1 bun? 2 buns. So yeah, we're going to be doing 2 chiku, as Nigerians call it. So yeah, we're basically packing our hair, all our hair, like one side of the hair in like a bond, and then we take like two strands of our hair or three, and then wrap it around our hair. That's for one side. We're going to do that for the other side too. You wrap it around your hair. So with this hairstyle, it gives that this is a playful hairstyle. So it makes you look youthful. It gives that young girly. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I love how it looks so much. Especially if you're trying to be extra with your hair. You don't want to do the regular chiku and all back. You're trying to spice things up. I'll definitely recommend you doing this hairstyle. So yeah. So for style number 14, you're just going to be bringing out like two strands of your hair in front, so it gives that youthful, playful look. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I love this, especially when you're trying to look cutesy and just give that baby girl look. So yeah. So for style number 15, we're going to be going back with our hairstyle. We're going to be bringing out some parts of your hair in front, in the side, and then we're going to be putting the remaining parts in like a high bond, half up, half down look, but with a twist. So instead of me doing just the normal regular shmegula, half bond, half down, we're going to bring out some parts of the hair in front, and then we're going to like pack the other one like in a high bond. So yeah, that's the vibe we're going for. We're trying to switch things up, not the regular shmegula look. So yeah, once you've done that, you just carry some parts of your hair in like a bond. So with this hairstyle, you can carry it out for like a dinner look. For a wedding also, you can actually do this as a wedding hairstyle. This is very cutesy, it's very demure, and yeah, I love the way the side gives a different look. So this hairstyle can be worn for events, for a wedding, for a photo shoot. If you're trying to do something different, you can always go for this hairstyle. Can you see how it just elevates your look? Like I said earlier, it's half up, half down, but with a side swoop, something different, something edgy, basically. So yeah. So for hairstyle number 16, we're going to be trying out something different. So basically, we're going to be taking two strands of our hair, and we're going to move it all the way back and just tie it. Like, you know how you tie a knot? I've done something similar to this before, but this time around, we're going to be trying out something different. We're going to be using claw clip. I'm sure everybody knows about claw clip. So claw clip is just basically to give it that extra look and make it look more defined. I like my claw clip on my hair. So with this hairstyle, you can wear it for events. It's actually a good hairstyle to want to events. You can wear it for a wedding, you can wear it for like girls' night out. So it's something that's very simple but elegant. If you're going for a simple elegant look, this is definitely your go-to look. So yeah, this is me just feeling myself with the hair. So this hairstyle takes, let's say, 3 minutes. Under 3 minutes, you're done with this hairstyle. So for hairstyle 17, this is the final look. We're going to be trying out something different. You know how we've been doing center part. So this time around, we're going to be doing side parts, but with a boom, like something unique. So yeah, so basically we're going to be putting our hair into the side, and then we're going to make it like a band. You know how we did a band earlier in the second look, but this time around we're doing a band with the side. So basically we put our hair to the side, and then just take like two parts of our hair and then tie it. So we're trying to achieve that band look, but a side view. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It's very cutesy and very demure. It's very easy to do. It's not something that's hard. You can do this in under like 5 minutes, and yeah, you're good to go. This is me just filling my hair and loving the hairstyle. So I hope you've learned one or two hairstyles. Like, which hairstyle is your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah.